baby, to please my restless bones, my restless bones, restless bones. I should try harder to please you. I'm not the man I wanna be, yeah. But my weak soul is letting me down. Babe, don't be so hard on me. Don't be so hard. Don't be.
What's up? This is Chrissy with Everyday Tidbits. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post. You can also follow me on Instagram at everyday_tidbits. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube and Instagram family. Today is disgusting out. It's rainy. We have a tropical storm warning here in New Jersey. It's the perfect day to do some cleaning, and I have decided to take on the task of getting my freezer organized and cleaned out. You saw in a previous video we did the refrigerator, but I didn't have the proper bins to take care of the freezer, so I got those and we're gonna take care of that today. Thank you so much for being here, and let's get started. So I bought these two freezer containers from Amazon, and I ordered 4, but only 2 have come so far, so the other 2 should come today. But the reason why I ordered them from Amazon and didn't get them from TJ Maxx like the others is because they didn't have this shape, and this was the shape I was looking for to fit in the freezer. So I have 2 of these so far. I will have 4. And then I have these random ones that I got at the Dollar Tree in case, you know, for the doors, or if there's anything little in the freezer that needs to be contained neatly. So I will be starting by taking everything out of the freezer and getting rid of anything that's expired or not good anymore. And then we're gonna put everything back after I wipe down the freezer using these containers.
I am drawn to the light. I wanna rest in the arms of an angel and be safe and warm tonight. I wanna be safe and warm, baby. Don't you go, yeah. You're all I want. I never lied to you, baby. Come a little closer, honey. Yeah. Oh.
I just wanted to show you the before. Really messy, messy, overcrowded. Not sure what I have in here anymore. So happy to be tackling this today. Let's get started by taking everything out. Just wanted to show you the weather. The tropical storm is here. It's super windy. It's pouring out. Apparently it's supposed to get worse. We're supposed to get gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and they said even maybe a tornado. But hopefully we don't get a tornado. Never had one in my vicinity, and I don't plan on dealing with that because that's pretty darn scary. But yeah, it's one of these days where, you know, cozy up with a cup of coffee on the couch under a blanket and watch movies all day, but not me, because I don't sit still long. I'm going to continue to clean my freezer, and hopefully the mailman gets here soon with the rest of my bins.
Dry your eyes, forget about the others, let's escape the silence together. Just say the word. I don't know when we'll get there, but we're still young. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle, no regrets and windows down, 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 down. territory, so why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude, don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama, forget the karma, no, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, always about you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, but now you're so rude, 'cause you love drama. 'Cause you love drama. You love drama.
Before I start filling up these bins, how they fit perfectly in here. I did order 4, so I'm hoping that 4 of them, yes, they will fit. 2 here, 2 here. Like I said, I'm hoping the mailman gets here soon with my other 2. And then we could figure out where to put everything else. This is everything I took out of my freezer. It is a lot. I did not realize how much I had in there. But I'm gonna try to work quick in sorting this. I think all of it is good because I don't want it to be out too long to defrost. I have meats, vegetables, there's some pastas. I have a fruit for my wine and my smoothies. There's some like breakfast stuff, and I got booze from the Booze Fairy, so that's from there. So I'm gonna take a couple of minutes just to like try to get some of them back in the bins, most of it back in the freezer. And when the other 2 bins come, we'll continue on figuring out where that stuff's gonna go. So that's where we're at now.
Stay alert, baby, it's a crime. Lesson learned, when you're on my mind. It's a curse, not having you around. I wasn't ready to say goodbye. Fading lights, I don't know how I feel. And in my sight, nothing is for real.
So the weather's terrible. I have a feeling that my other 2 bins are gonna be delayed. So temporarily I'm gonna put the rest of my meats in here. And when the other 2 bins come in, I will just transfer them into the clear one so that it looks nicer. But for now, I'll have something that I could just take out and sort through until I get the ones that I want.
I got closer, but then suddenly you were gone. I wanna wake now, and this time is on. It's not danger in itself. Feel what I need. Someone say you found the Romeo.
I'm gonna use one of these in the drawer to put vegetables in. And I had previously wrote on it with a dry erase marker so that I could just take it right off and repurpose the bin for something else. So I'm gonna put my vegetables in here and stick it in the basket in the freezer.
Get back here, that's unsuitable, but I find you desperately beautiful.
All these are veggies as well. I'm gonna try to make room for them on the door. If not, I do have a spare freezer in the garage that I can try to fit them into. We're gonna see what we can do because I still have a bottom drawer which I was gonna make for breakfast and convenience things that my daughter can get to. And we still have the door, so see what we can do about getting that organized.
I wanna wake now, and this time is mine. It's not danger in itself. Feel what I need. Someone say you found the Romeo. I don't know if
stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
The mailman just went by. He didn't get out. Wonder if he had my package. He just didn't feel like getting out because holy crow, is it raining out. But I want my package. So I'm hoping that he just didn't choose to not get out of his car and give me my package because I need those 2 other bins to complete the freezer.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince.
So Amazon advised me that my package was going to be delivered today. I got one and not the other one. The other one was coming by post for some reason. Not really sure why, but I just got notification that it's going to be delivered tomorrow, which means the mailman didn't feel like getting out of his truck. I mean, I get it. It's pouring. I wouldn't want to get out of my truck either. But in my job, I have to get out of my truck no matter what the weather is. So if you have a package for somebody, the right thing would have been to get out of your truck. But I guess I'll have to finish this another day. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your support. Please hit that subscription down below. Hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram at everyday_tidbits. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube and Instagram family. I hope everyone's being safe, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.